morning, friends and family. It's the 21st of January today, and we are going to hike to Apa Rolling Hills with my cousins. And it's actually currently, what time is it, Ate? 4:30 a.m. and we're about to leave. So this is who I'm going with, my cousins, Kay, AJ's bestie. And we're just getting ready. So it's an hour drive. No, an hour and a half drive. An hour? An hour or 2 hours drive from La Paz Abra, and we're gonna go to Bangued to go to Tineg, which is where Apa Rolling Hills is. This is my cousin. So I'll see you guys there now in a bit. So guys, we're going to be traveling for 30 minutes and we've just stopped over for water because that's what we need later on. It's gonna be really hot. So, hi, say hi. Water, 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 water. And let's go again. Let's go. Let's go again. Yeah, yeah. Harap na. Update. We're in Tineg. Stop over because one of the motors didn't have any brake, guys, so we just had to check. And now we're gonna go ahead again. I think there's like, I don't know, 15 minutes, not sure. So
2 hours later.
yo guys, we made it. Ang sakit ng mga aking legs because I've been sat for quite a while. But we are, where are we, guys?
Ganito pala sa apaw, nakakaapaw ng saya.
Wow! Wow! Saya ka? Saya ka, te? Saya ka? Saya kayo? Umaapaw sa saya. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this. Lamig. Let's go. So guys, we made it to Apa Rolling Hills, which is located in Abra, Philippines. If you guys want to come and see this, you need to ride a motorcycle or not a Raptor or a 4x4, but we chose to ride a motorcycle. It took us an hour and a half to get here, but look at this view. I'm sorry, but nothing beats the Philippines. Nothing. I'm so like in awe right now. So yeah, there's quite a bit of a few rough roads, but other than that, it's worth it. So worth it. So here it is.
So here's a little montage of what we did while we were in Apa Rolling Hills. We had a breakfast by the mountains, which I definitely recommend you guys, as it is an empty spot during morning time. We arrived there at 7 a.m. and the sunrise was literally just coming out, and it was the most stunning view I've ever seen. So if you do plan to go to Apa Rolling Hills, I recommend going in the morning, and please do enjoy these couple clips as well as enjoy watching my cousins do a traditional Ilocano dance. So enjoy. We did a little bit of walking around and hiking, and then on to the next adventure. After Apple Rolling Hills, we went to Piwek Rock Formation after exploring the hills.
So guys, we're on our way. We are lost, man. We are lost. But we're on our way to the rock formation. I don't know what the way is, but it just keeps going down and down. So we'll see where it is. We're going to the rice terraces right now. There it is. So guys, we're trying to go to Piwek, but it's so like rough, the road. So we'll see how we'll get there. Oh my god. Tiwala
It's not
lang.
easy, but it's not hard.
He said.
This is harder than to move on. Charot. Move on. Tayo.
Take it din. Goodbye.
Hindi na kaging English.
Okay guys, update. We stopped at the school and we are gonna track down to the rock formation. I don't know how long it is, but we'll just walk down. Ready?
Ready!
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Mamat-mata ko dito boses bujing. Good morning. They're so cute. So guys, nandito kami sa, guys na naman ng guys. Dito kami sa may we're at some location and we need to, we're like in a village and we need to, what do we need to do at this? Sign up? Yeah, I think we need to log in because it's in the jungle, so it's for safety, I guess. So that's why we're waiting. Look at the village, you know. It's the village, guys. Early birds tayo. So guys, we're getting the whole experience and we've got a tour guide. It's actually 50 pesos per head. Plus, pag may tour guide kayo, it's 200 pesos. So, 250. 250? Ate Kay, it's 450. Oh, 450 pesos.
All of it.
With a tour guide and then 50 pesos per head. So, he's gonna lead us to the formation. So guys, we're actually crossing the river right now because the the boat that they use to cross the river is broken, so we had to cross it and I'm actually just wet. Everyone's just wet. If you have a look at them, look at that. But this is what nature brings to you. So
The next day.
So guys, we made it to the rock formation. Look how pretty it is. Oh, you can't see it.
Look at that salvavidas.
Look at that salvavidas. Whoa, bro. Look at them abs. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this is rock formation in Tineg Abra. So there's like water. It's surrounded by water. You can actually swim here as well. We've just been taking pictures. It's quite rough. I'm like on barefoot right now, so because it's quite hard to climb the rocks if you are wearing shoes. Like as you can see, there's people just climbing and just oh Jesus. Yeah, we're gonna go and swim. That's what we're gonna do. Just stop taking pictures, but I appreciate the view. So guys, we just finished going to the rock formation and we hiked back up. How are we feeling at the K? Speechless. Speechless and breathless. And now we're gonna have to cross another river to go back to where we came from.
Come and visit Abra.
Come and visit Abra because it's Abra amazing. Congressman, pa-sponsor naman dyan. Baka naman. Charot.
Hi po.
Hi po. Hi. It's a bit hot, like, you know. It's only 9:45. So that's good. Always come early where you guys, if you guys wanna hike. If you guys want to go to Upper Rolling Hills, Rock Formation, they're pretty much close together. That's why we went to both of them. So yeah, what can you say, Jing? Makaban Nogs. Let me Makaban Nogs. What about you, Rom?
Enjoy!
What about you, Chet? They said they're tired, but it's so worth it, guys. So yeah, this is what you have to walk through. If you come through here, it's like forest. It's quite a walk, maybe 10 minutes from the like village. All right then. And this is the river that we have to cross. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Time check. What time is it, yo? 10:35, guys. We're just having a quick stop. Quick stop to have some food because we're very tired and hungry. So that's what we're having. There's a pansitan literally after you exit Upper Rolling Hills Road. So that's what we're having. Then we're gonna make our way home. Hala. Naman la, vlog ka man la. Vlog take over. Go on. Oh yeah.
So as usual, here I am forgetting to film an outro clip to end the vlog, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the adventures that me and my cousins went to. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more of my adventures and my kalokohan, and I hope you guys have a good day. I love you all. Mwah.